everybody, welcome to the last video. Apparently, previous video was supposed to be only one, but I only did one of the couple. There's part two. I lied, there's one more page after this. That's kind of fun. Okay, so here we go. We are still solving the triangle, so that reminds me I need to do P, Q, R, I, P, I, side R. Okay, so this is little Q, R, and P. And what we know, angle P, right? I hope the sound wasn't too bad there. 62.7 degrees. I don't know the other two angles, but I do know that side R is 13.6 inches. If there's units given, you might as well use them. And Q is 9 inches. And now I actually have to decide what to do. Well, my usual plan is, can I do matchy-matchy? Can I use the sine law? Well, I've only got one angle and I don't have the matching side, so that would be a big old no to the sine law. But I do have an angle sandwich. So I have a side and then an angle and a side, which means I can solve for little p pretty easy. So p squared minus, oh, okay, quit doing that. Okay, let's start again. P squared cos p. Now, p squared now, I have r and q. So q squared plus r squared minus 2 ur. And we should be good. There's p's, qr, we're good. So p squared, oh, don't tell them I did that. It's equal to, what is q? 9 squared plus r is 13.6 squared minus 2. Q is 9. And r is 13.6. And I don't know if you guys are picking up the beep boops on my computer. I have no idea what's going on. I was going to keep going. Cos. Now angle P is 62.7 degrees. Okay. I better move over more. E squared. Apparently I need to be done with this. Is equal to. All right, calculator. Show me your magic. 9 squared plus 13.6 squared minus 2 times 9 times 13.6. Oh, yeah, cos 62.7 equals that. Now, that beep boop really messed me up, so I'm just going to remember 153. I don't trust myself. 9 squared plus 13.6 squared minus 2 times 9 times 13.6 cos 67.2. I keep saying that backwards, 62.7. Oh, look, I got the same number. Okay, so 153 0.68 square root. So P is going to be second function square root. My calculator, it's a second function. Other calculators, it's like just an actual nice little button. Boop. 12.39. And I see this answer's got one decimal, so I'm going to make P is equal to 12.4 inches. There's 12.4. All right, I have all my sides now. So I could do, okay, I'm a sine law fan. So I have now got P, which is 12.4, which means I've got a matchy-matchy pair. I can find the other one. So P over sine P is equal to, let's do Q over sine Q. In case anybody's weirded out, that's just the way I make my Qs. So little p, we just worked out to be 12.4 divided by sine. Let me see if I can get it right this time. 62.7 is equal to Q, which is 9 inches over. Sorry. Again, I don't know if you're getting all the beep-boops than I am. My computer's cranky. Sine. Oh, angle Q. I guess we're looking for that. There we go. All right, cross multiply. 12.4 9Q is equal to 9 sine 62.7. Oh, I got to write it again. Divide by 12.4. Divide by 12.4. This cancels. Sine Q equals. All right. What? 9 times sine 62.7 divided by 12.4, 0.6449. It's a sine law, so second sine. So angle Q is equal to 40.16. Angle Q is equal to 40 degrees. Oh, almost ran out of page. Okay, so like I said in one of the previous videos when you had to solve, if I was doing this on a test, I would do this, and then I would just go 180 minus the other two angles. But and I would give you full marks. I would give you full marks if you did this. Because we have the time, I'm going to solve for the last angle and then, whoops. Okay, so I now know Q is 40 degrees. Okay, I'm going to solve for R using the sine law. And then I can add up my three answers for the angles and see how close I am to 180. All right, so P over sine P is equal to R over sine R. So little p, where'd it go? Little p, we said is 12.4 over the sine of 62.7 is equal to R, which is 13.6 over sine, I don't know. That's what we're trying to figure out. All right, cross multiply. And yes, it's almost exactly the same as over here. Uh-oh.